what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another food challenge. I had to look it up. I could not remember what the last food challenge I did was. Over the course of the pandemic, I joined Nothing Called Moo and Beyond Saddle Eats and just quite a few channels for some alcohol challenges. But the last time I did a food challenge was like March 2019. It was the big old burrito that I did with Matt and Nando and Raina out in West Covina, California. And now here we are. I think this is my first food challenge here in Tennessee. So Matt hit me up a couple weeks ago and he said, hey, got an idea for 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Have an idea. Let's take a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let's get 3 of them and stack the damn things on top of each other to create the ultimate Popeyes chicken sandwich. I've never had a Popeyes chicken sandwich. You know, the chicken sandwiches are all the rage. Kind of been a Zaxby's guy myself, but I'm about to give this a shot. I kind of thought about doing one spicy, but then, you know, we never discussed doing spicy, so I just went original. So the game plan is we are gonna stack these damn things on top of each other. So we're just gonna take away 2 of the buns. Oh, but that kind of gets rid of some of the mayo. I guess I didn't really need a plate for this. And then we're just gonna leave everything else on there and just get down, go to town. 1. All right, so there's my bottom. Let's make sure to keep the pickles. Try and smear some of this mayo off onto here. I don't want it to get too dry. And then for the 3rd piece, let's see if we can do it. Oh, come on. We can do this. We can do this. Stay. There we go. Can I slip this pickle in somewhere? That's what he said. All right. Oh, no. Okay. All right, it's a balancing act. Oh, this is not gonna want to stay. All right, well, it ain't pretty. But ultimately, there we have the ultimate Popeyes chicken sandwich. Look at that damn thing. All right, so this is timed. We are gonna time it. We are allowed to use water. I don't eat this much food anymore. It's been a long time since I've eaten this much food. I'm a tad nervous. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just gonna give this a shot and let's just like see, let's see what happens, I guess. You wanna set me a timer?
Sure. Okay.
Oh, shit. All right, give me a 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I got to assume that I just got to take 1. Oh man. This could be a lot of chicken.
It's more fun when you had it stacked.
Mm-hmm. I bet Matt doesn't eat his pickles.
Cheater.
It's a lot of chicken.
You're 1 minute in.
I mean, it tastes good.
You already feeling full?
Mm-hmm. My jaw hurts already.
Sounds good. Crunchy. Two minutes. Can you do it under 3? Good. 2:35.
Oh no, what This piece was bigger than the other two.
The top one that kept wanting to fall over.
This one's so much thicker. The burger's what?
Imagine if it was the spicy one. Come on, 10 seconds, you can do it under 4. Nope. Stop.
Woo! 410.
You did it.
410. Wow. Oh. All right, that was pretty darn good. That was actually really tasty. For my first Popeyes chicken sandwich experience, you know, that was pretty good. Honestly, I didn't know if I'd actually be able to complete this challenge just because I never eat that much food anymore. But I'm shocked that I did it. I wanted to do it in my head under 5, so the fact that I did it just about 4, like 4:10 or so, that's pretty darn good. I'm excited to see what everyone else is going to be doing. We've got a whole list of people that are going to be attempting this challenge. Everyone's videos are up right now. You probably already saw a few. You may have jumped over here. You got a few more to go. I'm going to list them down below. Everyone's going to be listed. Probably even more people are going to be listed on the Reckless Eating channel. So make sure to go through that list and go check out small or big. This was an open invitation, which is extremely awesome just to be able to, you know, Matt threw it out there. Hey, whoever wants to do it, it just makes it special because everyone gets to participate. I'm grateful that I got to be a part of this. Thank you very much, Matt, for hitting me up and shooting the text, pitching the idea to me. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to click that subscribe button if you have not done so already. 4 minutes, 10 seconds, the ultimate Popeyes chicken sandwich. That's it. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Ugh.